Welcome back to Home Decor Hub. Are you looking for a ways to spruce your living room? Look no further. Today we are going to share with you amazing and stylish and practical living room floor tile design that can elevate your space from classic to modern. We have got you covered. Marble tiles. Marble tile are classic and elegant choice for living room floors. They come in a range of colors, patterns, and finishes, make them versatile enough to fit any design style. Not only do they add a touch of luxury to your living room, but they are also durable and easy to maintain. Wood look tiles. If you love the look of hardwood floors but want the durability and easy maintenance of tile, then wood log tiles are perfect solution for you. They come in a variety of finishes and style from traditional to modern and can add warmth and texture to your living room. Pattern styles. Pattern styles are a great way to add visual interest and personality to your living room floor. Whether you opt for a geometric design or more intricate patterns, they can make a bold statement and set the tone for your space. Plus, they are easy to clean and maintain. Large form tiles. Large form tiles are a modern and practical choice for living room floors. They come in a range of sizes and can create a seamless look in your space. They are also easy to clean and require less cost, making them low maintenance. Terrazzo tiles. Terrazzo tiles are a trendy and unique choice for living room floors. They are made by mixing marble or glass chips with concrete or epoxy, creating a colorful and textured surface. They are durable, easy to clean, and can add a touch of playfulness to your living room. And there you have it, stylish and practical living room floor tile design that can elevate your space. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more design and tips and ideas. Thanks for watching this video till the end.